What is going on, guys, today? Look at what we got in store. Let's open this bad boy up. Alrighty, guys, this is the Genesis 5.0 short ram intake. Custom designed by GEPTUNED, made by our good friend George. Thank you so much, George, for shipping this out for us. Damn. This will be put onto the Genesis soon, and we'll... Oh, guys, I am super hyped. I mean, look at how big this thing is, bro. It's like, god damn. Oh yeah. All right, guys, I found the best way to remove this is using this angled panel popper. It does so much better. You just go in there and you pop up the little clip that's anchoring it down and you just push it out. Forget trying to use freaking pliers, this is retarded. I might end up zip tying it underneath here, or maybe just going under this whole foam thing and just having it all hidden away and then into where the IAT is located. Alrighty, everything's good to go. Just tighten this bad boy down. connected the IAT sensor or IAT relocator. Everything's plugged up. All it needs now are the panel poppers, and we should be good to go. Sorry, my Osmo died, but it's back up again. So, we just finished the installation, letting her warm up just a little bit, and let's get some sound clip.